Parking na lang siguro.
Recording. 3 channels started.
Type mo yung ano.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Self-parking. Self-park garage. Definition, self-park garage.
Head east. Turn left toward Circus Drive. Then turn left onto Circus Drive.
Dito kan. May mga bakante rin sa ano.
Ito?
Nakita mo yung mga nakapark doon.
Turn left onto Circus Drive. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Las Vegas Boulevard South.
Okay, mga naglalakad na.
Lalakad nga lang kasi ang parking eh.
Malapit na pala sa atin Hantong Tower. Oh.
Ang dami.
Yun oh, yung tower dito na parang space needed.
At the light, turn right onto Las Vegas Boulevard South.
What's that? What's that? It's a big wheel.
Continue on Las Vegas Boulevard South for 1 mile.
Kasi dire-diretso na pala lalakarin natin. So ano, hotel natin. Papa, where are we? Where are we? We are here in Las Vegas. Where are we?
Sabi mo ito kung mula sa atin 30 minutes walking?
Oo.
Mula dyan sa Circus?
Bagay, ayun na yung ano eh. Yung Spiro. Huwag na rin naman may sasabihin tayo kasi
Mahirap nga kasi yung parking. Tsaka mahal. Magkano rin
Mahal ba?
parking yan?
at kung magpapark tayo, sa park na lang tayo, tapos nakarin na lang tayo. Hindi na tayo magpapark ng dalawang parking.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Where are we?
Are we?
Where are we? Where are we?
Where are we?
Where are we?
Las Vegas.
We are here in Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Yes.
Las Vegas.
Where are we? Where are we? Where are we?
Las Vegas.
We are here at Las Vegas. Vegas!
Las Vegas.
Oh.
Las Vegas.
Ano ba ito?
Speak wheel. Police car.
Police car.
Where are we?
We are here at
Police car.
police. We are here at
Police car.
Las Vegas.
Where are we?
Where are we?
Police car.
Police car.
Police. Where are we? Star.
Star.
Oh, si Harris at Walls. Campaign ano. Laki ng ano, campaign rally.
Motorcycle.
Motorcycle. Motorcycle.
Everybody, we will.
We will rock you. Rock you.
Rock you. Rock you. It's a really upgrade.
Ganda rin ng hotel na to. Mahal siguro dito. Yung nasa tabi ng swimming pool lang.
Hindi naman nabubuksan ng bintana na yun. Design lang.
It's small and big. It's small and big.
Small and big.
Small TV, big TV.
Big TV. Small TV.
Big TV.
Big TV.
Wi-Fi disabled.
That is broken.
Hmm?
It's broken house. It's broken.
It's broken.
Broken house. Papa. It's Papa's house. It's broken. Net.
Kupal ng mga Mexicano.
Oh.
Ayun, nagpaparada sila, nakabandit, ano yung bandera.
Gusto nila eh. Bakit ba nangingialam ka?
Sa Amerika sila eh.
Pakialam meron pala kaka talaga. Walang pakialaman ng trade. Gusto nila yan.
Lahat sila mag-trip. Malapit tayo, no? Yung palahan. Yung sa Las Vegas na sign
In
pala.
600 feet, use the left lane to turn left at North Siegfried and Roy
Kasi di ba
Drive.
hindi ko kayo nakuna na maayos dun sa Las Vegas sign? Dahil si Papo matiyak na tiyak.
At the light, use the left
Oh.
lane to turn left,
Alam
then
mo
turn
yun?
left.
It's a mini
Yan,
upgrade.
Venetian.
Alicia.
Venetian. Andito na tayo sa Venetian, Papa.
Bench. Bench.
Venetian Hotel. Oh.
Baby siya.
Ayan. Picture tayo dyan. Picture tayo na marami. Ito pa dyan, hindi ba? Ah, hindi pa napila. Ito pa pala.
It's a mini upgrade.
Saan ba yung ano? Saan ba yung nagbabangka-bangka?
Hindi niya yun dito.
Ito ba yan?
Meron.
Baby.
Oh,
We're here na. We're
We're here
going
na.
down.
Mamaya na lang.
Mommy, your baby.
Mamaya. Later.
Little baby.
Oh, later, baby, okay? We're here now. Oh, we're here. We're going down. Okay? We're going down now.
Daddy. Baby daddy.
Babe, daddy's no baby. Oh, mommy's no baby. Pochi no baby. Oh.
There. Little Pochi baby. You little Pochi baby. Look the baby.
Ay, let's go.
Baby.
Tawid na. Ako, tatawid to si Lolo.
Ay, nakalito talaga eh.
Video protected.
Ikaw tumawid.
Ha?
Saan kaya dito ang ano?
Diretso, parang
Turn
naalala ko
left,
na
then you will arrive at your destination.
Diretso muna. Kasi alam ko, diretso tayo.
Self-parking.
Oo.
So foggy.
Saan?
Self-valley parking yan.
So
Hotel registration.
foggy.
Saan tayo dito? Ito ba yun?
Right Mall, Valley parking, self-parking. Ayun. Yung self-parking, Valley and self-parking.
You have arrived.
Alam ko pumasok tayo dyan, alala.
Tapos,
Tayo noon nila madam. Galing tayo sa Hoover Dam.
traffic, Valley self-parking.
Yun. Valley and self-parking. Self-parking ito. Kaliwa.
Saan tayo? Ito ba?
Ay, may tao yata.
Ah,
It's a bird. Look. It's a bird. Look.
Diretso.
It's a real
Pino pala
bird.
eh. Uwi yan.
It's real bird. It's real papa. It's a real papa. Real papa's real.
Kano kayang parking nila dito?
Siguro mababa, wala naman siya.
Parang dati 30 yata. Ano yan?
Ayun, pindutin mo. Hindi yan. Yan.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Ano kaya dito?
Dito, tingin mo para hindi masyado mataas.
Look.
Meron yan.
Is he squirrel? Is he?
Hindi natin meron.
Nasaan ang third na ba tayo? Fourth na ba tayo?
Oh,
O five? Fifth floor na yata.
Is so bigger.
PX.
BX.
PX.
BX.
PX.
CX.
Ano yata?
You go in. Start.
Dito ka.
Hindi. Ano yan? Exit yan ah.
Exit ba yun?
Oo, exit yan.
You go in.
We're going.
Go in.
We need to find the parking. Papa need to find the parking.
Nakaalis ang sumo.
Alas kaya ito. Ayun. Pero dalang tubig, hindi. Papasok yan sa hotel nila.
Mahal daw tubig.
Mahal kaya ang tubig dito. Hirap mo naghanap ng parking. Hirap din hanapin kung saan mo pinark ang kotse mo.
Maganda. Ito, ano ba yan? Hindi pwede naman.
Ito kayo.
Hindi ubra. Sige.
Bakit tayo
5 pala, nasa 5 pala tayo.
Bakit pala? Ayun. Ano ba ito?
We go to the parking.
Ayun, dali, bababa ko.
Parking.
Oh, kaya na ng hani ko.
Naku.
Did you see the parking?
Kulang.
God, what's that for? God.
Tawalin mo na yung dalawa. Tawalin mo. Dali. Oh, hindi. Alangan eh. Bato. Uy, buhay. Sige. Sige, wala. Sige, kapit lang. Okay na. Bawi. Diretso.
You're welcome to the parking.
Okay. Luwag sa pagla. Luwag.
Uy, ayaw mo nun. Makakalabas ka kahit magtumbling ka.
Si Papa